Alright, hi, I'm Michael,
I'm Nash.
and today we're going to teach you a brand new game that we just made up while we were watching the US Open. So this game is called Tennis Maths, in lieu of a better title, until we come up with a better name. So this is how you play. We've got a deck of cards. Now we're using school-friendly cards. So they have 11, 12, 13 in them, and they also have zeros. We got a zero, Nash. Okay. If you've got a regular deck, it'll work as well. You just go Jack, Queen, King for 11, 10, 12, and zeros for jokers. But we're going to use these because we've got them. All right. So the way it works is like this. We're trying to make the game as similar as we can to a tennis match. We're going to play a tiebreaker. So first to 7 wins. So like a normal tennis match, I'm going to serve Nash. So I get this. This is the ball. And I'm going to use this card and one of your cards to make an equation. So let's say, for example, Nash, if I do 5, hold on, I'll do it. 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay? So now 8 is the equation we're making on this point. So Nash, they go in the rubbish pile, and now you've got to pick up one of your cards and connect to one of my cards to make 8. So you got to look at what I've got and look at what you've got.
1.
1 and
7.
Beautiful.
That wasn't the 7. It was 7 down at the very
Okay, 1. Oh, you want to hit it really deep down here. Okay, 1 and 7 makes 8. 8 plus 0 makes 8. Your turn, Nash.
So do I have to keep making?
Go, keep making 8.
Okay, go see how much. Yeah, 6 and 2.
Make 8.
How do you minus it?
Yeah, any operation you want. Minus, plus. Okay. 8 times 1 makes 8. Over to you, Nash.
10. No, there's no. 9. 9 minus 1
Is
8.
8. 11. Take away 3. It's 8.
Does he have a 1? No. 5. 5 plus 3 is 8.
Beautiful. Okay. You got a 4 or 2? No. No. I could be in trouble here, Nash. Okay, so that means Nash wins the point.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is what happens now. We give a point to you, Nash. Now, we're using a whiteboard. If you don't have a whiteboard at home, you can just do this paper and pencil. So the score is 1-love to Nash. Now, at the end of each rally, you get the discard pile, put it back together with the other pile, shuffle it up, and then Nash, we're just going to replace the cards so we get back to having a 4x4 grid.
Okay,
So,
which is 16.
It is. So I'm going to just fill in the blanks. And now, Nash, like in a normal tennis tiebreaker, you are now going to serve, and you're going to serve the next 2. So you get to choose, Nash, with this first card, what equation, what's our target number. So last time we did 8, you can do whatever you want. So that's your card, and you've got to connect it with one of my cards. What have you got?
2.
2?
And 2 and 4.
And what are you doing with the 2 and 4?
Making 6.
Okay, beautiful. 2 and 4 is 6.
My turn.
No, now I'm hitting back to you
I
now.
know what I can do.
Okay, so I'm going to do. Have you got a 6? No.
I don't know. I do have 6.
Okay, what have you got that I can use here? Okay, 4 plus 2 is 6. Over to you, Nash.
3 and 3, but you don't have anything. Do I have a 0? Do I have a 6? No. Do I have a 2? Yeah. 2 and 4.
Is 6. Okay. 13, take away 7 is 6.
12 take away 6 is 6.
Good job. Nash, which 6?
The green 6.
Oh, I didn't realise I had 3 6s. Alright. Okay, so those 6s are useless to me. You don't have a 0. Okay. 7, no. 8, no. 13, take away 7 is 6.
Can I do anything?
You gotta look. I'm not gonna tell you. Yeah, you can.
13 take away 7 is 6.
Okay, beautiful. I think you win the point again, Nash.
2
Hold on. Yeah, so Nash wins the point again. So the game continues like this, and I mean, obviously, if you've got a student who's a fan of tennis, you don't have to play a tiebreaker. You could play a normal match. You could do whatever sort of tennis scoring you want. Now, what I think is, again, we only just played this. We only just made it up, but I think the game probably works well with a student that's kind of working at the level Nash is working at. So a student that's confident with addition and subtraction and starting to explore with multiplication. I think that's going to be your best bet. But like I said, this is a brand new game. We've only just made it up. So you could feel free to play with the size of the court. Okay, so now it's my turn to serve, so like a normal tiebreaker. Okay, so Nash,
6.
I'm going to do a bigger number. I'm going to do 6 times 4.
4, 6. 6, 12, 18, 24.
Okay, so 24 is our number.
10 plus 12. I know. Do I have a 12? No.
Did you want... Oh, okay, I can see what you're going to do.
What? Nah, that won't work.
Were you trying to do 12 plus 12?
Yeah.
Is there another way you could sort of do 12 plus 12, like 2 lots of 12?
I don't know.
So you could do it as addition, 12 plus 12. What's another
2
way?
times 12?
Yeah.
Do I have a 2? Yeah, 2 times 12.
Okay, and then so it's back to me. I know that was a really stupid choice for me to go for 24 because I can't do anything. So it's another point to you.
Yay!
Alright, so...
Nashi wins 4-0.
So we would keep playing until we got to... someone got to 7. So that's... what do we call it? Tennis Maths. We hope you enjoy. And we'll see you next time.